Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, fog lights, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.